Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make Redbubble designs on Canva. How to make quick and easy designs in Redbubble on Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now usually when creating a design, especially when using Canva, you're going to have to select the template that you would like to create your design on. For example, we would like to create a t-shirt design. Then if we would like to create a t-shirt design, of course when we use Canva, we're going to have to search t-shirt so that we will have a template for us to use. As you can see, there will be a specific template available for a t-shirt design. But with Redbubble, actually, whatever design you create, you could automatically convert it or use a mockup for it. So let me show that. We're first going to open our account over here. Click on sell your art. Right now, I haven't set up my shop yet, but as you can see, this is the checklist or the step-by-step to be able to fully set up your store. You would need to add 5 designs, add a profile picture, cover image, social links, bio. You would need to add your name and email, your address, your phone number, and add your payment details over here before you will be able to fully set up your Redbubble store. Now let me show you how it would look like when you add a store, or rather when you add a product in Redbubble. Let's simply click on the design over here. And as you can see, you have 2 options. You have upload a new work or copy an existing work over here. As you can see here also, they recommend JPEG, PNG, or GIF files with a minimum of 1000 pixels resolution. Now you have an idea of the size that you would like to create, which is a minimum requirement, as you can see here. So when you create a design, make sure that the pixels is high so that you won't have any issue. And let's see if we click on upload a new work over here. Then let's simply choose a random photo for now from our gallery, just like this. And as you can see, this will be our temporary design, as you can see here. And when you scroll down, as you can see, you will see already mock-ups of different types of product available over here. All you need to do is to click on this option over here, and it will automatically be added to the specific product. As you can see here, we have pet bandanas, scarves, drawstring bags, spiral, notebooks, clocks, artboard prints, hardcover journals, and you could also edit them. For example, on the clocks, let's click on enable, click on edit, and as you can see, this is our design over here in the middle. And this is the size. Right now, it's not going to be big because our image is not a minimum of 1000 pixels. We would need to create a minimum of 1000 pixels with Canva later on. And you could also convert your designs vertically, horizontally, and all of those stuff. So you don't really need to choose a specific template in Canva, although it is completely up to you. If ever you are only trying to create a t-shirt design, of course you could use the t-shirt templates available in Canva. But as you can see here, there will be lots of options. You don't need to use a specific template because you will be able to use your design on any of these options available over here. Just make sure that you are using a minimum of 1000 pixels because as you can see right now, it's not really going to look great because the image that we use are very small. You can also add the title, tags, and description over here. Now let's go back for now to our Redbubble over here. Now when creating a Canva design, of course, first step is to select a template or create a template over here by create a design and custom size over here. Then you can simply put in your size over here. Now earlier it said the minimum should be 1000 pixels. I already have here 1920 and 1080 pixels over here, so I can simply select this. This will ensure us that our design is already big enough for any design on Canva over here. And we can also readjust this. If you're using the premium version of Canva, you will be able to resize your design over here. As you can see, you could fix it over here. Now I think I'll try and make it bigger, 1920, so that we have a square. So let's click on resize, and as you can see, we have a square canvas over here. Now when creating a design, the first thing you would need to do is of course think of a theme. Think of the topic that your design would revolve around to. For example, you would like to create topics about dogs or cats or summer. You could think of any design that you would like to use. And when creating a design, the 3 features of Canva that you would need or use the most is the elements option over here, wherein if you search any topic, there will be some graphics, video, or photos available for that specific topic. For example, let's say dog. Click on enter, and you see you have graphics, which is more of a graphical design, digital art. Then you have your photos, like literal photos, realistic photos, and you also have your videos over here, and there's also audios over here. You could also check out your uploads over here. In uploads, you will be able to use images that you have downloaded from the internet or images that you have taken yourself, and then you could use that specific photo as one of your designs of your output over here. And you can also use text over here, which offers you lots of different font groups. As you can see here, this is a very good font group, and you could use this font group to create your output over here. So for example, for me, I would like to create a design that revolves around coffee. So what I'm going to do is go to elements, search for the word coffee, just like that, click on enter, and now we have our graphics over here. I will be using mainly graphics for today's video. You could use photos if you want, but when creating a product design, as you can see, most of the designs over here are digital art. So we will be going with that trend. So let's simply go here, and as you can see, we have different elements of coffee over here. Now what you can do is simply select the options or the elements that you like the most. For example, this one, I'm going to take this. I'm also going to take this hand over here. Simply click it instead, just like that. And let's first center our hand element over here, just like that, or make it just like that. And let's go put our coffee circle over here in the middle. Just like that. We have a very simple design now. We have some progress. Then you can look for more elements over here. Let's say fern. It's a type of leaf. Click over here. Then let's add more keywords like coffee painting. But enter. Let's see if there will be a fern that has a coffee color. I don't think there will be any. So let's simply select, for example, this one over here. Put it over here, just like that. Put another one. And for this one, we're going to turn it a bit by using the turn feature. Just like that. And just like that. Now, as you can see right now, our canvas is a mess. So if you're a beginner with using Canva and you put your different elements together, you would notice that it's going to overlap each other and you don't know what to do. So all you need to do to be able to fix the layering is simply click on position over here on the top. And then you have your layer options over here on the left side. When you click this, you will see all the different elements that you have on your design right now. You can simply drag the elements behind the element that you would like to be on top, just like that. Now we have our element over here. We have a pretty simple design. Now, I think this is good enough, but for you, I think you could add more elements if you would like. For example, let's try and add coffee. The word coffee text. Coffee, just like that. And let's go back to graphics because I think I saw the coffee text earlier over here, just like that. And you can put it over here. Now we have a very simple coffee text over here, just like that. Or you can put it below over here. Depending on where you would like it to appear, completely up to you. Maybe you could put it over here, very small. Then we could put it like sideways, just like that. Now we have a very simple design over here. Now you can simply add your watermark or your signature if you would like to add that. If you don't want to add something like that, it is completely up to you. But right now, this is our output. Now, to be able to download this, earlier we saw that we are required, or it is suggested that we have the file in JPEG, PNG, or GIF if you want to. So let's simply click on share over here. And as you can see here under the share, you have the option to download the specific design. So click on download, and over here you have your file type. You have JPEG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, SVG, MP4, and GIF over here. So we're going to go with PNG. I'm going to remove I'm going to have a transparent background for now because our background is white, so I don't really want a white on our product later on. And if you don't have the premium version of Canva, there is other software or other platforms out there that offers a transparent background option. So you will be able to use that. And after that, we're simply going to click on download, just like that. Now, as you can see, our design is being downloaded. And there we go. downloading over here. Now after that, we're going to go back to our Redbubble over here and click on our profile once again and click on sell your art. Then we will go back here. As you can see, we're simply going to click on add designs, and let's wait. Over here we have the option upload new work, copy an existing work. But for now, because we created a new work, we just simply click on upload new work and upload our design. And as you can see, it's being uploaded. This is our design over here. Let's wait for it to be uploaded, and we will be able to see a preview of it on our designs over here. As you can see, this is our design. Very high quality. We use a big canvas over here, so it's bigger than our first example earlier, and you can see it better on our different designs over here. And you could simply add a title that you want. Let's say coffee, just like that. You could use creative titles. You could search up in the internet how you could create a creative title, then you could follow the instructions. You could also add your tags over here like coffee, just like that. Then add whatever tags that you would like to add, then your description over here depending on the products that you would like to use. And the description is completely up to you as well. We have a very specific design like a painting artwork, so you could say painting design of a coffee, just like that. Then you can see your product reviews over here. The default enabled are the standard print clothing. You can also enable the large print clothing. You have your different options over here. As you can see, we also have our phone cases over here, which I think looks really great on the phone cases. We can click on edit over here. As you can see, this is our phone case over here. You could move it or center it horizontally, center it vertically. You could scale the image, set the background. We could click on the background as, let's say, as you can see here, you could change it to whatever color, let's say pink, just like that. Then you could also choose some patterns if you would like to have. Then click on apply changes, and as you can see, our pink case have now a pink background for our design. There's also stickers and magnets, line draws. You could enable this just like that. You could also enable pillows and totes, mouse pads, all the type of product that you would like to enable. You could enable it over here. And for example, this one, I could move this to the bottom just like that, then center it, apply changes, and there we go. It looks better than being on the center. And that's it. That is how you will be able to create amazing designs on Canva easily by using the elements, and then you can simply upload your work in Redbubble over here. You also have your water bottles over here, which looks really great, and then you could use however you want. And after this, you can simply click on I agree with Redbubble's user agreement. You could check if this is a mature content. This is not. You could see here, default product in your shop, anyone, only you. Then media, let's say painting and mixed media, design and illustration, just like that. And simply click on save work, and as you can see, it's now being saved. And if my store is fully complete, I will be able to upload it into my store and start selling this product right away. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.